Hey everyone, welcome to another session of uh, SheetAgent by Setline Inc. Today we're going to discuss what can we do for existing layouts that they were done before SheetAgent was introduced. So pretty sure that everyone has drawings that they were done prior to SheetAgent, and we all like to use them or use SheetAgent to save us time. Uh, but how can that be done? Do we want to rebuild those sheets? I hope not, unless it's a really early stage and then nothing much happened besides just few viewports. But even with those, you can really see or use what you've done already, so you don't redo stuff that it's already been done. So what to do first? Uh, in any drawing pre-SheetAgent, you can see there's nothing here. Single is empty, PDF is empty, nothing was done. So it's really the program does not recognize it at all. You have few layouts here. This one, for example, has unusual shape viewport. Look like it's a key map. There's a north arrow, scale bar. It looks like this is really early stages. This is just rectangular viewport, north arrow, missing scale bar, but there's key maps, which is good. So what to do now? There's nothing on the model space either. It looks clean, I guess, or it's empty. So first thing first, we press on the button on the welcome panel, adopt existing, and it says that we cannot run it because you need to be in layout, and it explains it to you. You are in model space, switch to the layout you want to adopt and run adopt existing. So you can switch to any. You're going to switch to this one. Okay, so we're in layout that we'd like to adopt. You're going to press on adopt existing. It's going to give us a backup your drawing before continuing. This is a warning always as we use programs, especially on an existing drawing that was not done by SheetAgent. Make sure you back it up just in case something happened along the way. You can always have a backup version. Continue. It's going to ask, is this a single viewport or a multiple viewport? We know that this is a single. And then it's going to ask to select the main viewport. Any works. Doesn't need to be in a rectangle at all. Now, this UI or user interface, what it does, it's basically telling you everything the program found in your drawing. So it found a title block, it found north arrow on any pages, it found a scale bar on any pages, and it did not find an attribute block. And it found three layouts, which are 250, 251, and 252. So these are the ones that we've seen already. It can detect many more, of course, but just to keep it smooth now, or fast for this training. Pressing apply will take us to another layout, basically, that found an additional viewport that it does not recognize it, that needs help with it. So it says, hey, letter A is on your viewport. What do you want to do with it? What is it? Help me know so I can help you down the road. So this is for sure it's a key map. So we're gonna say it's a key map. And it tells you at the end, okay, now your drawing is SheetAgent manage, run update sheets to validate, pressing OK. If you go to model space, you can see it just brought in those outline of each viewport and its relative location to the model space. Pressing update sheets, it's gonna cycle through them, and it's basically just updated your drawing. That's it. That's for plan and plan. Now, if we go to plan and profile, what happened with plan and profile? Or this is an example for plan and profile. So we go here. This one looks more advanced than the other one. This one has, I think it's a cover page, but it's missing all the tiles. One thing for sure is, should have missed it. I should have explained it before. If you have anything on model space, the best is select it all, put it on a no plot layer, or delete it, because the program needs to have its own model space definition. As you're used to it now in new drawings, model space, it's basically the playground for this program. So it needs to have a model space that it's not predefined, else it's going to start mixing up layers, etc. So make sure it's clear, no match lines, no viewports, or no viewports outline, etc. So C4O looks like a cover page or an overview page. We have a plan here, look like a profile, look like we have a legend on this page. We have no legend here, but we have a plan and profile underneath it. Look like it's a mid SD or starting of an SD level when you start having profile. And yeah, same like before. Press adopt. It's gonna give us the warning. This is a multi-viewport, and this is a plan and profile, because we see the profile down below. So it's gonna ask for the main viewport, which is the plan viewport. It's gonna ask you which alignment are you designing for, and again, you have to have the alignment as a DREF, as if you're building a new multi-viewport plan and profile one. So we have the reference one here, and this one is for 2nd Street, which is letter B. So pressing OK, it's gonna open again the UI. It says that I didn't detect anything here beside your title block, and I found out that you have, it looked like an overview cover sheet which says likely, it will not assume, and it's skipped because you don't want the cover page to have its own viewport, right? This is or basically a viewport outline on your model space. So it's gonna automatically skip it. Pressing apply, basically it's gonna cycle through it. Yeah, it found a legend here. It's gonna ask you, hey, this is 110. What is it? Do you want to skip it or do you want to add it? It looks like it's a support VP. So for support, it's a legend here. I forgot about this. Apply, and now it's ready. So pressing update, what it will do to us, it's simply just gonna rebuild the set for us. So if we go to model space, now we have the match lines. The computed north arrow is here, etc. So they're back. Everything is here. You can see now the tiles on overview, legend, match line, north arrow. You can now add, delete to anything you like. I can show you quickly. Let's add just some north arrows here. It'd be good, just as an example, just so you can see that it's fully functioning. Maybe we'll add label to just, these are very quick, just so you can see that it's, hey, okay, I'm in this stage, now what? Does it really work or not? You're familiar with these by now. Configure north arrow as usual. Configure scale bar, and let's do configure attributes, and let's give it an update sheets. You can see it blinking. You can see the north arrow being applied. You can see the scale bar, the naming. Does it work on labels? Yes, absolutely. So let's add the plan view label. Basically, it's gonna explain to you, do you want it auto or do you want inline? I'm pretty sure most folks haven't seen this yet because this is part of V2. This is an upgrade where we included few UIs or user interface boxes that helps you see or visualize before you actually apply. So I'm gonna use auto just for simplicity. I would like to include the station range, which will explain how it's gonna be. If you do inline, that's inline. If you keep it stacked, let's keep it stacked for now. That's gonna cycle through it and give you the station range and plan. As you can see it's from 049 and this is to 271, and we can confirm it to 60, 270, 271. Does it work on profiles? Similar. A profile here, we just expanded just to see the full scale. Auto, yes, please. Keep it profile, include station range. Column, yes, it's totally fine. Equal, and yeah, and it's gonna apply it here. So we added it for us. So just a little help here and there, and it goes from there. So we'll do one more. Let's do plan and plan, just so you can see the difference between them. This is like a double stacked plan. This one has a lot. This one has a legend, has a key map, etc. So adopt existing, yes. It's a multi, and it's a plan and plan. And it's gonna ask us to select any main viewports. Can be up or down, doesn't matter. And then I'm gonna select it. It's asking us, is this for alignment A or alignment B? This is for alignment B. It's gonna tell you everything it found. And you can see it like it says, okay, you have 1 and 1B, 2B, 3. Again, those you can change the names down the road at any moment you want. And apply. Basically will take you to the remainder or remaining viewports that the program needs help with. So the first one, letter A, it's what? It's look like it's a legend, so it's a support viewport legend. And B is looks like a key map. And exact same as planner profile. Pressing update, it's gonna cycle through. And it's basically it. Now you're back to normal or back to an update. Just fill it up the blanks that you would have done anyway if you're building a new one, brand new. So instead of doing that, you just do it. If you have, again, gaps, etc., the program will detect it once you run this, so it will help you with your QC. This is it for really plan profile, or sorry, I'm losing it today. For adopt existing, and once you adopt it, it becomes SheetAgent ready, so you can run with it, update your drawing, do anything you like with it, and hope you enjoy it and hope you use it. Thank you.